Right. Students who are in the online, am I audible to you people? Okay. So let us start discussing about the continuation part of the subject. I hope in the last session, hmm, next, in the last session, what was the topic started? Part one, linear algebra functions. There we already so there already we completed, I hope so, dot product and inner product and what outer product. Dot product of 1D, inner product of 1D are same. Same. Executed that. Dot product of 1D, inner product of 1D, both of them are same. Right. Dot product of 2D and inner product of 2D is completely different. Did you notice that? So practice data. Well. So now outer product is going to be also completely different from dot and inner product. Compulsory, this kind of concept will be asking one thing in the interview. Next, I'll go to what next? Det. Det I will go for it. Determinant of a matrix we are going to see. So let us move to the further determinant of a function. So det function, solve function, inv function, trace functions are left out. So dot function already completed. Dot function already completed for 1D. Dot function is inner function on dot function already we have seen in the 2D level. In the example I covered, inner function also, inner function also. So, Vishnu, sir, post last two classes notes in on drive. Posted or not posted? Again asking. Post. Already posted. Again, if I post, it will become repost to me. Postman will return the back to me only. Stop posted already. Because yesterday, one student asked also post again. So the date I'm posting the subject on date wise. It is available on 1/12/2025. Available as starting point only. So far you have seen what coming down and used to see. But we posted where? Top. It is beginning only it is available. Right? One below two. Like that it is available. Okay now? Take care about it. See that. See the completely. Huh? Muhammad Radif. Not received me also. Maybe in the delay of trains and all those things. Maybe posting it. Maybe traffic jam or something else. Maybe that a problem, I think so. My dear students. Now Vishnu got it just now only he got it. He got just now. He got just now only he got it. My dear students. WhatsApp message you will get immediately, but you will receive my notes after so many days. So here we are going to have, this is the one. See the notes, students. Daily the issue is on notes which is coming. So this is the notes I already posted yesterday. Posted this notes December 1st. Right? Last notes was available here on where 29. 30 was a Sunday. 30 was a Sunday. Last 2 days notes he asked, one student asked last 2 days. 30th notes is not there Sunday. Right? And then first notes was there yesterday's notes. Today notes will be coming, that is a 2. Below 1 only it will come. Don't go to the top, bottom. So please come to that. So Aniket, so Nadim, my dear student. So, so Muhammad Nadim, classroom notes is very clear, sir. Till now, no issue. Right. Huh? Krishna. Okay. Hmm. Thank you, my dear student. So I'll search for some cinema opportunities. Okay. Thank you, Krishna. So I'll move to the further. Okay. I'll switch off my video because you look at my subject student. If you Okay. Students, please come to the topic. Okay. Krishna, turned on, student. So, hmm, right, BS. Okay, my dear students, please come on now. Please come on to the topic. Let me concentrate. So don't make me to talk about another things. Is it clear? Inner function and everything. So I'll go to next part of the subject. What is the next one? This dot product examples also is set. Almost all these examples posted for you and all these things done here. Also covered at the same time insert related functions that are very important, insert, delete, and all those things. Now, another operations I will complete it. This is called another one. I will go forward. Det. Det I'm going to calculate determinant of a matrix. Go there. So I'm going to enter into this one. Start here. Are all of you practicing students? Hmm? Right. So please practice it. Go to the new. Here I will go to it. Hmm. Go there. Now next I'll go to determinant of a matrix. I'll go to the determinant of a matrix. So here take a import, take one matrix numpy as what? NP. So A is equal to NP dot array of NP dot array of comma 4 comma 2 4 comma 2. I'm going to take it 6 comma 4 comma 2 6 comma. I'm going to write it something like 8. It is going to be 6 comma 8 dot reshape of what? 2 comma 2 2 comma 2. So print of A, content of A, content of A. So here I am writing it, content of A. So here I will take it, print of A here. This is the data what we have. So now I'm going to take up, as you know, in your school days, I hope so, you studied this ABCD. This is the data what we have. Now I'm going to take it. How do you compute this now? AD minus BC. AD minus BC. This is an output is coming. So what is this now? 4 into 8 minus 6 into 2. 6 into 2. It is called what? 32 minus 12, which is going to be called 20 is an answer. That is called a determinant of this one. So here I'm going to write it. Here I'm going to write it. D is equal to, come on, NP dot det of, if you write it, A, you'll be getting error. See that you are going to get it. Okay, print error. Module numpy has no attribute called det. Det is present into some more type of module is available. LINALG. Spell out. Stands for, you are already gold medalist. In full forms, you are already gold medalist, received from a good university. So you need to write in NumPy, this is going to be one more type of LinALG is a submodule. This is a module. Inside of that, this is going to be a submodule. How do you call? NumPy dot and LinALG dot what? What is the function? Data of. So let me go to the LinALG. LinALG. ALG. I will write it. Of what? A. LinALG dot what? Det of A. LinALG, compulsory thing. What is the LinALG? Is a submodule inside of what? NumPy. So go to the place. In this place, determinant of what? Determinant of what? A is equal to comma what? A, I will write it. So what is the answer is going to come, students? Determinant of D. Yes. Determinant of D. What is the answer? 19.99999. It is not going to be a 20 will be coming. If you want, I already said to you, come on, apply what? A round off. Did you remember A round off? So NP dot, come on, A round of what? D. A round of D. What is the answer now? 20 point. 20 point. Online students. So, Mohammed, sorry, you are providing deep subject once. If I get a job, I'll celebrate farewell party when you will be free in time. Okay, Nadeem, all the best. Definitely will get the job. There is no doubt in that. There is no single point of that. Full stack Python you complete very perfectly. And give the first preference for module 1 and 2. When you go to any written test, they will conduct the test on Python. And they will take the technical interview rounds will be on Python 60%, 70% on that. Next 30% they will concentrate on Django. 30% they will concentrate on Django. 90% over. Next percent of 10% is UI and database. UI and database. You need to have CSS, that form development you need to have. So 1 and 2 modules, be careful. Django also equally important. Take care about it. Now, let me move to this is called which matrix? 2 by 2 matrix we discussed it. 2 by 2 matrix we discussed it. If you want, you can go to where also. We can go to 3 by 3 matrix also, you may be aware of it. Do you know that 3 by 3 matrix? So, students, if you come to this 3 by 3 matrix, maybe you know mathematically, I'm just giving you for your additional knowledge, mom. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. This is called our 3 by 3 matrix. How do you start with? A. 2 by 2 matrix will be very simple. So I'm going to take up this A. A target is here. That means this one and this one will be taken off. What is this now? A of, come on, A of E, I, F, H. Right? This is one thing. Next, minus you need. Why to use minus? There is one big theorem is there. And you need not worry about the theorems. Come on, minus B of, come on. B means this one will be taken off. What is the next step? D, D, F, G, I. I. Next is called what? Plus. Of what next? C. This one will be taken off. What is this now? D, E, G, H, G, H. This is going to be. What is this now here, students? E. C na D na? C. This will be multiplied. A into of what I can say? EI minus HF. HF minus B of DI minus GF. GF. Come on. Plus C of DH minus GE. GE. I will take. Are you following me? So this is the one I'm going to take it. This is the one I'm going to take. If I do this entire calculation, you'll get the answer of it. Shall I take it now? Just immediately I will go to it. One 3 by 3 matrix, I will take it. Determinant only. Take one A is equal to NP dot A range of A range of 0 comma what? 9. 0 comma 9 or 0 comma 10 now? 0 comma 10 dot reshape of come on 3 comma 3. Content of A I will print. Content of A I will print. So you are going to get it 0 comma 9. So 0 comma 9. If I believe you, it's a very problem. 0 comma 9 means 0 to 8. 0 to 8 means 9. Right? You got it. Now calculate quickly. Start. 0 into what are the values now? 4, 5, 7, 8 minus 1 of what? 3, 5, 6, 8. 8 plus 2 of 3, 4, 6, 7. 7. This is anyhow 0 minus 1 kada 1 of what is this? 3, 8. 3, 8. What is this now? 24 minus 30, 30 plus 2 of 21 minus 24. What is the answer, ma? Minus, this is minus 6 minus 6. Are you okay? 6. Next plus 2 into, what is the value here? Minus 3. That is called 6 minus 6. What is the answer now? 0. 0. Now I will go for determinant. I will calculate. Go to the value here. I am writing inside of it. There I am going to write it. The value called what? 0.0. Is it clear? Right. So determinant of 2 by 2, you know. Determinant of 3 by 3, you know. This is a way you need to calculate the determinant. Wherever the determinant operation required in the matrices, one can apply this operation. Is it clear? Right. Next, I will go for what? Solving the linear equations. Let me go to the solve function. I will take it. Students, I will go to the next function is called solve. Very important this is, first of all. Now take an example, ma, all of you. Take one example, student. 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Next, I'm going to write it something like 6x plus 4y is equal to some 8. This is my question. Now I need to go for solving it. Shall we solve it? So you can solve mathematically, you can do even multiple ways are there to do it. If you go to your school days completely, there are multiple processes are there. Substitution procedure, cross product way, and then next is called what, subtraction process, Cramer's rule, row operations, column operations. So many rules are there. Now, one logic I will tell you, mathematics, you're all mathematical students, ma. You know that entire thing, 6. And this one you see, 6x plus 4y. I will do one equation, either x terms you equate or y terms you equate. What I do is, the first one is there na, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Equation 1 multiplied with what? 3, I will multiply. Why I want to equate with the 6x? What is this now? 6x plus, come on, 9y is equal to 18. What is the next value here? 6x plus 4y is equal to 8. Now I am going to take it. Subtract these values. 6x, 6x cancelled. What is the value here? Come on. 5y is equal to, come on, 10. Y is equal to what? 2. 10 by 5 is called what? 2. Substitute this y value 2 in any one of the given equation. So substitute this value 2 in any one of the given equation. What is that, ma? 2 into 2 plus 3y is equal to what? 6. And 3y is equal to 6 minus what? 4. Y is, what happens? Okay, correct. Y value need to substitute. That is x value need to find. So 2x plus 6 is equal to 6. 2x is equal to what? 0. 6 minus 6. X is equal to what here? 0. So x is 0, y is 2. Right? These values are going to be coming up. Yesterday I said the importance of it. What is that I said? X is one item, one pencil it is. And y is called some pen it is, for example. Pencil and then pen. 2 rupees of pencils plus 3 rupees of pens is equal to 6, for example. And 6 rupees of this one and 4 rupees of this will give you this. And find the number of pens and pencils. That is something like this. In another way, I said here, number of boys plus number of girls is equal to something like 680. For example, boys paid 18,000 rupees, boys paid 17,000 paid by girls is equal to some rupees they got it. And then number of boys and the girls is going to be how much? This is going to be the linear equations concept will come into picture. Need to find the number of boys and girls in the class. That is called the subject of solving the equations. Are you following? Right. So how do you represent this type of mechanism? That is our topic here. Take what here? Represent in the programming. How do you take it? A is equal to, this is what is I was about to explain. Ax is equal to what? B. What is this A? All equations coefficients. And what is the B here? The constant values what you have here. Let us take A is equal to np dot array of, come on, take up. This I need to take it as what? Come on, 2, comma, come on, 6, comma, 3, and then what? 4. These are all called what? This is called 2, 6 is one thing. Next is called 3, comma 4 is called one more thing. 3, comma 4 is called one more thing. This is called one list. Next, B is equal to what? NP dot array of what? 6, comma 8. 6, comma 8. So 6, comma 8. Now I'm going to write it. Result is equal to, solution is equal to, I'm going to write it. NP dot lin ALG dot, what is that? Solve. NP dot lin ALG dot solve. A comma B, I am going to write it. A comma B, I am going to write it. Now I'm going to write it. Print of what? Solution. Solution, SOL. It will come in the form of ND array with 0th index, first value, 0th index, 1 index, another value will be coming. So what is the value coming now? 2.4, comma 0.2. I think you represented wrong, I think so, students. 2, 3, you represented something wrong. So 2, comma 3, 2, comma 3, first equation value, we represented wrong. 2, comma 3, and next is called what? Yes, that is an actual way. That is an actual way. So the answer is going to be like this. Are you following? So what is this y? What is this 0? What is this 2? Y. That is the way you need to write. First equation 2, comma 3. Second equation value called like this. Not x coefficients, not y coefficients. Are you getting it? In another way, if you want to take care about it, 2, 3, 6, 4 of, what is this now? X, y is equal to what? 6 and then 4. This is the actual way. 6, 8. Okay. 1 minute. See, all of you. Understand the root level answers also, students. See, answer is coming. That is well and good. That is no doubt in that. So I'm going to show you when some of the interviews will ask you, can you show me mathematical part of this calculation? They will ask you. Even if you go to the further, because I did not include that in my class. Actually, when you go to the data science level, differentiation and integration is also going to be there, students. Differentiation, d by dx of, integration also, that is also very important. But we solve so many things in intermediate, first year, second year, and all those things. That is also an important. So x and y, this is going to be the output is going to be called what it is 6 and 8. As I already said to you, if I say this is looking like ax is equal to what? B. Ax is equal to B. X is equal to what? B A inverse. B A inverse. What is this now? It is going to be x. Y I am going to take it, which is going to be called what? 6, 8. And what is this now? Inverse. What is the inverse now? Here I am going to write it 2, 4. This is called 2, 4. And 3, 6. Inverse, this is called. Inverse. Inverse means what? So 6, 8. 6, 8. What is the inverse is going to be this one? 1 by AD minus BC of inverse of a matrix. What is the inverse of this matrix? Simply you try to find out this, you try to find out here, this one. 2, all of you. 2, 3, 6, 6 now? 4. What is the answer now? 1 by AD minus BC. What is this now? 8 minus 18. Of what is this answer now? Come on, 4, 2, minus 3, minus 6. What is this answer now? 1 by minus 10, of what? 4, 3, -3, -6, and then 2. What is the answer we are going to get it here? -4/10. What is the -4/10? Come on. 4/10 is what? 0.4. 0.4. Come on. -3 by -10. That is 3/10. How much? 0.3333. 0.3. 0.3. Are you okay? Next, -6/10. Come on. 0.6. 0.6. Next is called what? 2 by what? 10 minus 0.2. 0.2. This is an answer. Minus 0.4. Yes. Minus 0.4. Next, -3. Okay. This one. And this you have to multiply what here? 6 and 8 you need to multiply. If you multiply that, you will get definitely what answer? Two values only will come. This is called a 2 by 2 matrix. This is called a 2 by 1. Rows and this one is over. You will get one value only if you multiply. 0.4 into 6. Come on, 0.3. This one you multiply. Just check one value. 0.4 into 6, how much? 2.4. Plus, what is this now? Minus 2.4, right or not? Yes. 0.3 into 8. 2.4 only. That is also 2.4 only. 2.4, 2.4. Minus. It is called what? 0. 1, 0. That is called the value 0. Come on. Yes. Next. Come on. 0.6 into 0.6. 0.6 into 6. 3.6. Okay, good. Plus means it is a minus is there. Minus what? 1.6. 3.6 minus 1.6. It is a 2. Are you following this? So this is a 2 here we got it. This is a 2 we got it. This is a 0 we got it. Are you following me? So either you can go for that way or mathematical also you can prove it. Very, very important this is. So you got it. If you want, you can print it. This way you can print it. Online students, I hope you are getting me. I will write it. Print of value of x is equal to, come on, what is this now? Solution of what? 0. Solution of 0. Next I got it. Value of y is equal to solution of what? 1 we got it. So here we got it 0.0 and 2.0. Are you getting me? Right. This is called how many variables are involving? Two variables are involving. Online students. Two variables are involving here. Two variables are involving. Linear equations with the three variables also there. Linear equations with three variables also will be there. Three variables also will be there. Three variables will be coming means a discount term will be coming. Number of boys, number of girls plus number of transgenders in the class is equal to like this. Boys paid 18,000, girls paid 17,000 of Y, and 16,000 transgenders paid is equal to some rupees. Boys got 1 rupee discount, girls got 1,000 rupees discount, transgenders got a 2,000 rupees discount. The discount amount also given. And find the number of boys and girls and then transgenders. Are you following this? This is called three variable terms. Three variable terms. If you go to Amazon, you will get this type of data analysis and data analytics model, you will use it. But in our colleges and all, we solved it. Row operations, column operations, etc. We solved it. Do you remember that? So, but the actual meaning of the linear equations is like this. You got it or not, students? Well, so students, coming to the point back, now I am going to enter into the further. Take in an example, you go to this place, here I will take it more, here I will take it. Linear equations with the three variables. with three variables. Three variables. So I'm going to take it. With the three variables you take, students. Some examples you take it, ma. You take some examples here. Any three variables you take it. With the solutions which are there, you take that. With the solutions. Solutions. With the solutions you take it. Solutions around there. 1 minute. Three variables with the solutions. With the solution. Why you are talking? Hmm? You want to go out of the class? Hmm? You want to go out of the class? Come to this place. Here I am going to give you some examples here. He is also friend of you. He is also friend of you. So, X value, Y value, Z value is giving complete answer. So see this equation, students. I will get this into my place. Into this place you come. Here I am going to write it. With how many variables you are taking? Three. With the three variables are there. Equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Equation 3. These are all are called our linear equations. Try to represent. Like this we are having. Start. Represent. Solve. Come on. Take what? A is equal to NP dot array of represent what? 1 comma 1 comma minus 3 minus 3. Okay, good. Next, b is equal to 1 comma minus 1 comma 2 2 you will take. Ma? Okay, plus 2, right? Plus 2. Come to the point. C is equal to np dot array of 2 comma 1 comma minus 1 minus 1. Okay. D is equal to np dot array of what values? 10 comma 3 comma minus 6. 10 comma 3 comma minus 6. Minus, then okay, minus 10. This is the data we have. Next, go forward. Solution is equal to np dot lin alg dot solve of what? A comma B comma C. A comma B comma C. So got it. Print of what you know? Print of what? Solution you see. You are going to get it. D. Yes. D. So you go for it. D. So you got it. It takes two arguments. What is the problem here? Lin ALG. It is requiring missing one parameter. A, B, C, D. Hmm? Okay, 1 minute. ABC is one place. ABC is in one place. D is in another place. Bracket, comma, right. So this is the data we are supposed to take it. A comma B comma C is called one equation. This is AX like that and D. So look at that. Here I'm going to take up You go to your place. What is the value of this? X is minus 2. Something like Z is 3 and Y is 1. That is minus 2, 1 and then 3. Minus 2, minus 2, 1 and then 3. So this is a given solution. Print of what? Value of X is equal to what? Solution of 0. Solution of 0. That is the index. Y here. Y here. That is called what? Like this. Next 1. 1. Next is called 2. Z this is. Z this is. So you are getting the values called minus 2.0, 1.0 and Z.0. How do you do mathematically? Already I said to you. Already I said to you. You need to do that calculation. 3 by 3 matrix inverse means same. Determinant process I said. No? In the same process you can use it. Online students, is it clear for all of you? This is a three variables term. This is a solve function. Really, it's a very important students. Take care of this. It's a very, very important concept. Next, I will go for what? Inverse. Inverse. Calculate multiplicative inverse of the given matrix. So let us go to the inverse of a matrix. Go to the place. Here I will go to inverse of a matrix. Almost I gave you the inverse of a matrix. What is that? A, B, C, D. How do you calculate this inverse? This is called A is equal to A inverse is equal to what is the formula? 1 by AD minus BC of what? D, A minus B minus C. You need to take this one. You need to take this one. If it is a 3 by 3 matrix, you know how to do it. This is called what? 2 by 2. 3 by 3 when it is coming, when it comes to 3 by 3, what is this now? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, I. What is the inverse of 3 by 3 matrix? అంత సీన్ లేదు మనకు. Come on. Adjoint of, stand up. Even I don't know. If you say, I will listen. Adjoint of A. Adjoint of A 2 into 1 by determinant of A. A means matrix. Now what is the adjoint of A? Don't know. Hmm? Don't know. Then how do you remember this? Okay, sit down. So now I will go to, now you'll go to, who is this? Muhammad Nadim. Will you explain 2x plus 2y is equal to 4x plus y? What is there, student? So coming to this place, you are asking again and again the same thing. Coming to this place, easy now. This is easy. Go to this place. Here I am going to write it. Start. Come on, start. A is equal to np dot array of 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2. Come on. B is equal to np dot array of 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1. C is equal to np dot array of 4 comma 2, 4 comma 2. Write it, done. Next, C is equal to A comma B. No, you went to wrong. You are all Shankar Dada MBBS. You are out of order. So go to where? 1 comma 1. So you are all out of candidates. So this is called one type of list. Are you following? Next, B is equal to what? 4 comma 2. 4 comma 2. Next, np dot array of 4 comma 2. Next, C is solution is equal to what? np dot lin dot solve of a comma b, a comma b. Print of what? Extra bracket I will take care, students. Don't worry about that. First you concentrate on the subject. Value of what? X. Value of X is equal to what? Solution of 0, SOL of 0. Next I will go to one more. This is called Y value is equal to what? 1 here. Actually mathematically you test it. This is a 2x plus 2y is equal to 4. This is also called x plus y is equal to 2. You divide this entire thing by 2. It is going to be x plus y is equal to 2. X plus y is equal to 2. You do what? Minus. You do minus. What will happen? Totally 0. Are you following this? So, coming to the point back, you are going to get it. The answer is singular matrix. So, ALG error is coming. No x value, no y value is coming. It is raising an error called what? Singular matrix. There is no output will be coming. X and y values are not there. It is becoming what? It is output will not be coming. It is going to give you the error called what? Lin ALG error. Which error? Lin ALG error. This is also one important thing. Nadim, good boy. So giving you the error called singular error. So no x value, no y value is coming. It is going to give you which error? Right. So are you following me now? Right. Go to the place here. This will be mentioned even in my notes also, which I am going to show you. Lin ALG error is also mentioned in my notes. I'll be showing to you. Next, I'll go for what? Inverse function. I will go for it. Inverse function. I will take it. Start here. Inverse function. Anyhow, 2 by 2 inverse function you already know. So let us take 2 by 2 inverse function. So I'm going to take it np dot array of, I'm going to take it in this case 4 comma 2 comma 6 comma 8. I'm taking dot reshape of what? 2 comma 2. So print of content of a, content of a, print of this a, print of this a. Now go to what? Inverse. A inverse is equal to what is the formula I said? 1 by AD minus BC. What is the answer here? 4, 8. How much? 32 minus 12. Of what here? 8, 4, minus 2, minus 6. So what will be the answer is going to come? It is anyhow, it is going to be 1 by 10. This is going to be called 1 by 10 or 20? 20. So this is going to be called 8 by 20, 8 by 20 minus 2 by minus 2 by 20 minus 2 by 20 minus 6 by 20, 4 by 20. So if you simplify, that will be the answer. What will be the answer here? So this is called 4 by 5. 4 by 5 means 0. Come on. 8 by 20. It is called 4 by 5. 0.8. Muddu. 0.8. Are you okay? 0. 0.4. 0.4. Come on. It is. Now done. Next. Minus 2. Minus 0.1. Minus 6 by 20. Come on. Simplify that. You'll get the simplified answer. No need to take calculator and all. Answer will come. Next 4 by 20. This is a minus value will come. 4 by 20. 0.2. 0.2. This will be the answer. What a minus? How much? 0.3. Remember 0.4 minus 0.1 minus 0.3, 0.2. See the answer of it. Now I'm going to apply. Remember this answer, and then we will apply. Here I'm going to write it. Inverse. Inverse matrix is equal to np dot lin ALG dot lin ALG dot. Come on, what is this? INV. Inverse of what? A. Now I will print Inverse of a matrix. Inverse of a matrix. Inverse of a matrix. So I'm going to get it inverse of a matrix. So print of what? IM. So inverse of a matrix is used internally in where? Solving equations. Ax is equal to b I said now. B is equal to x is equal to what I said? B into A inverse. In the inverse of solving equation time, inversion concept will be coming. So that we are going to take separately. See the answer now 0.4 minus 0.1 minus 0.3 and 0.2. You can apply the same procedure for what? 3 by 3 matrix also. Let us go to that. Take the help of this. I will take it. What is this now? Inverse of what? Come on. Inverse of which matrix? Inverse of 3 by 3 matrix. Inverse of 3 by 3 matrix. Take the inverse of 3 by 3 matrix. Some video is also there. Something is there. Go to this place. Go to this instead of going for it. We are not learning mathematics here. Try to get it. This is a matrix here. Take some answer here directly. Take some answer here. It is already given some answer here. 1 by a big story is given for it. 1 by a big story is given. So try to open it in this tab. This is the step 1. Determinant you are getting it. This is called matrix. Step number 1. First you need to take this matrix. Determinant of the first one. Determinant. Step number 1. Step number 2. Step number you are getting here. Step number 3 you are getting for this. Step number 1 by adjacent of this something answer is coming. So this is an answer is coming finally. What is the equation for it? You need to get it. What is the general equation of it? You take this answer you take it students. Final answer is available. At least this answer will be clearer. A inverse. This is showing some answer. Full answer is not given in any place. So this row operations applied. If a solution and answer is there, we will write it directly. This one, no, this is determinant is finding. Determinant is finding. Okay, what you do is look at all of you. After what I do is that pen and paper. After going to home, myself I will take one equation matrix. I will do it in the class. If I take that equation, it will be giving a big length numbers and all. You also try after going to home. Tomorrow class when I come back, 2 by 2 I shown you now. 3 by nobody will ask you do the mathematics in company when you go for it. But you need to have this kind of thing. I will take a big numbers and I will do this. So take the numbers directly. See, it doesn't mean that how to get that answer is important. I will write directly the value called something like 2, 6, something like 1, 6, 9, 7, like this. How many elements now? 9 now. 3 comma 3 I am writing. 10 now. Remove one element. Remove one element. 3 comma 3. So this one, you will be getting it. So if we go to it, so Nitish Sharma, where we use these concepts in industry, already said to you, Nitish Sharma, already I said, in this case, I already solved it. Still, if you don't get it, it's your bad luck. It's your bad luck. I already said to you, 2, 3, 6, 4 is equal to what? Already I explained mathematically. Number of boys, number of girls is equal to all these things explained. In this case, what is applied here? What is an answer? 6 and 8. When it is going to be x and y, what is this mathematically available? 6, 8. Now I said to here, 6, 3, 6, 4. Inverse I said. Mathematically, when I am solving equation, what is applied? Inverse applied now. So Nitish Sharma, are you okay? Is it clear? Already this is explained 2 times. 2 times. Inverse only I am talking about it. Inverse is used in where? Solving equations. When 3 by 3 is coming, 3 variables I used it. X, Y, Z used or not? In this X, Y, Z compulsory, what is using? Inverse is applied. 3 by 3 inverse is applied. Here I am going to take it 3 by 3. Content of this you see. Content of this you see. This is 3 by 3. For this 3 by 3, there is an inverse, I am going to use it. So the inverse matrix is going to be like this. What I want to tell, how this answer is coming, that is the point here. This is what I want to tell you. Understand this point? This is what I want to tell you. How this answer is coming, I want to tell. That is my intention. After going to home, open your childhood days mathematics and do it. Or if you don't know, or you are expecting from me, tomorrow class, I will show you that that inverse of 3 by 3 matrix I will explain. Like a school days mathematics. Okay, now? Right. Next, I will go to online students. Are you understanding the conclusion now? Conclusion is very clear. Next, I am going to enter into the next part. What is the next? Trace. Trace is going to be easy to find the principal diagonal elements sum. Principal diagonal elements sum I will find out. So take this example. Take this example. And I will go to this place. Trace of 2 by 2 matrix. Trace will be there only for which matrix? Square matrix. Square matrix. What is the trace? Principal diagonal element sum. What is the principal diagonal element sum? So I am going to write it. TR is equal to NP dot trace of what? A. Trace of A. You are going to get it. Print of what? Trace of matrix. Trace of a matrix is equal to what? TR. TR. So I'm going to apply. What is the trace? 12. And it is present into NP only, not linear LG. So linear LG contains determinant, solve, inverse. All these 3 things are used in where? Solving equations. When you go to inverse of 3 by 3 matrix, definitely determinant need to calculate. So to calculate 3 by 3 variables equation solving, determinant required, inverse required. That's why all of them present into LinALG module. Rest of them are present into a NumPy. NumPy. Go to this matrix. Again, I will go to this matrix. Follow me. Here I will go to the trace part I want to do. This is my things. What is this answer now? 4 plus 2 plus 9, which is going to be called what? 15. 15 is an answer. 15 is an answer. Now I'll go for TR. TR I am going to take it. TR I am going to take it. What is this now? This is the 15, got it. Are you following me? For example, somebody will ask you, I want to get inverse, this is called what? Opposite to principal diagonal element, somebody is asking. How do you find out? Tell me. I am putting a question here. All of you listen. Find the sum of opposite to principal diagonal elements. That is the non-principal diagonal elements. Non-principal diagonal elements. Non-principal diagonal elements. non-principal diagonal elements. I mean to say 6, comma, 2, comma, what? 1. How do you find out that? That is one thing. Procedure 1, procedure 2. Two procedures you have to see, which is already covered in the class. Come on, quickly. Right. Rafi, very good, very good boy. Use advanced indexing. Next, advanced slicing also you can apply. Advanced indexing. Chapandi. 0, 1, 2. How do you locate 6? A of, this is called a 0, 1, 2. What is this now? 1, 0, comma 2 plus A of what? 1, comma 1 plus A of what? 2, comma 0. This is an answer of it. This is an answer of it. Are you getting it? So let us say all of you. First of all, what is this? Non-principal diagonal elements is equal to, I print chain first. You print that elements is equal to, comma, I will write it. Come on. A of what? 0, comma 2, comma, A, comma, 1, comma, 1, comma, A of 2, comma 0. 2, comma 0. Are you getting or not? 6 to 1. How do you find out the sum? Here I will write it. Sum of non-principal diagonal elements. Non-principal diagonal elements is equal to, I will write it. Come on. I will write it. This entire thing I will take it. I will do what? Plus. I will do what here? Plus I will do it. Plus I will do it. So plus I will do it. So you are going to get the elements. Are you getting it? Yes. So tracing is possible. This is also going to be possible. So whichever elements you want, this is by using what? Indexing. We can also use what? Slicing operation is also there. Slicing operation. Can you tell me the slicing up? So just testing whether you are capable of doing that by using ADV slicing. Quickly. Come on. Here I will write non principal diagonal elements is equal to A of, what I need to do first? I will prepare. I said beginning what I need to take? Beginning I need to take what? I need to take a row indices. Next what? Column indices. Come on, say row indices. What are that? 0, comma 1, comma 2. Muddu, come on. 2, comma 1, comma 0. Easy. This will be taken as what internally? A of what? 0, comma 2, comma. What is the next? 1, comma 1, comma what? 2, comma 0. This will be taken up. This will be taken up. So print of what? Non-principal diagonal elements. So here I will write it. This is the data. Here I will write it. What is my variable name? Non-principal diagonal elements. Are you getting or not? Which is which type? Which type that is? That is the type of NONPD. Just to find out the type, because types are very, very important. What is that? End array. End array. Just that end array values sum I want to find. Sum I want to find. So I'm going to give you, I will go for applying. This is elements are coming. I will go for sum I want to find out. So here I'm going to write it. I will apply here. What is this now? Sum of. Now do I apply? Sum of NONPD. Will the sum will come out? Yes. What is that now? 9 will be coming. That is also one more way. Whatever the question comes, 100% you will answer when you apply your intelligence. Okay now? Right. This is related to the concept of non-principal diagonal elements, how we are getting it. Let us move to the trace part is completed. Next, I want to, these are called what? Linear algebra functions are there. In my class, if you go to my regular, what are the notes I'm going to send you? Let me show you this here. So if we go to this place, what I'm going to give you notes here, I'm having linear algebra in this place. Already I posted some data for you up to dot matrix, inner things. Coming to outer also posted, data also posted for you. Solve, solve. This is the values which I'm having. Here, carefully try to follow. Here I'm having, Nadim, you look at. Solve. This anyhow, this is the data which is going to give you the solution. Solution, Nadim. We got it. Nadim has given 2x plus 2y is equal to something. X plus y is equal to something. If you do that calculation, you will not get solution at all. So solve function works only for square matrices, and it assumes that matrix has what? Non-zero determinant. In that equation, what we have 2x plus 2y is equal to something, x plus y is equal to something, the determinant is becoming 0. When the determinant is 0, solve will give you what? Non-determinant functions only, it will work. If it is determinant is becoming 0, it will raise an error called lin-ALG error. You have seen that error also. Inverse function is also there. An inverse function for 3 by 3, you work on it. Still, if you want to listen from me, I will explain that also. Here also, note that all matrices are invertible. If you try to compute inverse of a matrix for having determinant, 0 inverse will raise what? Linear error, same. Because this inverse is used in solving equation. In solving equation, determinant also there. Det, INV, solve, present into lin-ALG. Other things belongs to NP only. Trace. Obviously, it is going to be, trace is nothing but sum of the diagonal elements of the matrix. Diagonal elements of the matrix. All these things, it's done. So simple. So these functions are very much useful to you. Next, I'm going to enter into another today's concept. This part was completed. This notes also I will send it. Next, online students, is it clear up to here? Is it clear up to here? These functions. Come on, respond. Now I will go to the next, another kind of concept. Universal functions I want to introduce. The function name is called what, students? Universal functions I am going to introduce. What are the universal functions? I am going to explain. What I will discuss, I will write it here. Students, these are also very, very important for you. So here I am going to write it. Universal functions. Universal functions. Universal functions in NumPy. Universal functions in NumPy. What are the universal functions in NumPy? We are going to apply. Universal functions means in any part of our calculation, you will be getting some operations here. What are those operations? Just look at this now carefully. The universal operations on ND array we can perform is number one operation. I will write it. Finding NumPy level, finding discrete operations, very, very important. Discrete differences, discrete differences, discrete differences. I'm going to take it. First one. Second one, I'm going to find discrete differences. Next, what do you mean by discrete differences? I will explain. Next, NumPy. With this, I can say NumPy is over. But if you go on detail of it, our notes is an answer for everything. Next is called what? Finding GCD, and this is your left hand left finger. That is not, I'm not worrying about it. Finding GCD and multiple values. Finding GCD of two values. This already you learned it. Two values and multiple values. Multiple values. This is one thing. Next, I'm going to introduce third one, finding LCM, that part also you know already. I'm not worrying about these two values. And multiple values, this is an important. GCD of multiple values. Okay, mathematically you will do. I'm not worrying about mathematics because you need to write the code for it. That is a part here. Next, fourth one I'm going to write it. Fourth one. NumPy finding which operations you are going to do. Set operations. Set operations, very, very important. Already you know set operations in our Python class. How many functions I set? Almost 17 functions I set. If you open your notes, 17 functions are there. In NumPy, how to perform that? What will be the different operations are there? I don't apply the 17 functions here. Why? That is a traditional Python set object. Which one will have more performance? ND array will have more performance. Because of what? Different advantages I said. Next is called what? NumPy. I'm going to go for summations. Finding summations. Summations. That is nothing but sum finding, cumulative sum finding. Different type of new sums will come. Sum means just you are feeling that only adding two values. Collection of values I want to go for it. That is called a summation. Cumulative sum is also there. These are the varieties of sums. Sixth one is called what you know, finding products. Here I am going to write it. NumPy finding products. Products we are going to take it. That is product is there, multiply is there, cumulative products are there. We are going to learn it. Next I am going to learn it. NumPy, I'm going to write it here. Rounding of decimals, rounding of decimal values, rounding of decimal values. Rounding of decimal values will take what? There I will take, already we learned in our case, round off. Percentage 0.2f, 0.3f. Here also we are having truncate, round off, decimal. So a round off, some new functions will be coming. Next one you are going to learn it. That is a simple arithmetic. That is easy for you, not a difficult. Whatever is there in the numpy.org universal functions, I am giving everything. Simple arithmetic operations that I already said to you. Some of the extra operations will be coming. Arithmetic operations, arithmetic operations, simple arithmetic operations. These are the universal functions we perform on which object? ND array. Tell me, what are the universal functions in NumPy? Finding discrete differences. Spell out. Finding discrete differences. Next, finding GCD of two values and multiple values. Finding of LCM or two values of multiple values. Finding set operations. Finding summations. Finding products. Rounding decimal places. Simple arithmetic operations. Right. Look at. Stand up. Spits. To whom you are looking? You are not listening. I am observing you. You are not listening properly. To whom you are listening? To whom you are looking? Stand up. Stand up. Are you both of lovers or what? Huh? Huh? Are you both of you lovers or what? Huh? Look at. Now you look at it. You also look at. Both of you look at eye to eye contact. You look. Oh, need to learn the subject. Already you are 7:30 batch student, right? Already I said you one day. Is there. Is there. Is your friend. Already same word I used already. Ear breaking. Ear break. Now again one more. Look at. You also look at him. Sit down. Listen the class. When you are going, when I say something, they will laugh. Listen it. Eating something, chewing gum. You are eating something. Without knowing also you are saying like that. Listen. No, you don't take evidence of somebody. I am the evidence for you. Look at. I don't believe any evidence. I am the only one which I directly see. I am saying to you. No more evidence. Okay, now no more surety for you. Look at on the board. and online students will enjoy. And you don't see, when you come to one stage, don't try to make fun in the class. It's not correct. And to my experiences, if I do fun in the class, it's not suitable for me. Any fresher faculty, 4 years, 5 years experience is that they make fun, there is some meaning is there. Because I have to cover a lot more things for you. Because by knowing if I skip this topic, I think if this comes in interview point of view tomorrow, what is your problem? What is your status? I will think like that. So try to don't deviate my class. Shall we go to the different discrete differences? Shall we go? Both lovers I will ask you. Shall I go? Say other one. One way or two way also? One way, two way. One way. Two way, two way. Very good. No way. Okay. So he's looking at you. No way when you say. Come to discrete differences. Look at students. Okay, leave it. Come to the point back. Now I'm going to enter into the discrete differences. How to find the discrete differences? Now I'm going to tell. See, number of syntaxes I will write it. Discrete differences on what? 1D. Discrete differences on 2D. Discrete differences on 1D. Discrete differences on 2D. When 2D comes means what will come into picture? Axis. Already axis, there is a confusion with you. Axis 0, axis 1. What is the axis 0 previous topic? Again, confusion. Just the previous topic. So that previous topic. Now discrete differences, row axis is 0 means column. Again, that previous topic. See how many things you need to differentiate. That's why if I am a student now, I will let all column related 0 is equal to value concept. One side I will write it. 0 is equal to row related activity. I will write in one side. I will have daily, morning, evening. I will say. I'll have full clarity or not. Come on. So some commitment is required in understanding. So now I'm going to enter into the discrete differences meaning I will tell you. Let us take an example. Suppose I'm having A is equal to NP dot array of something like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Like this I'm having some numbers I'm having. Something like, okay, let it be. First I will take this 3 comma 4. What is the discrete differences says? Discrete differences of this A says you what? Find the discrete differences of A says what you know. Each successive values must be subtracted with the previous value. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, comma. Second value is subtracted with the previous value. Next, 3 minus what? 2. Next, 4 minus 3. This is called one discrete difference finding. What is the answer coming? 1 comma 1 comma 1. This is called one time discrete difference finding. Second time, this is nothing but what? You are mentioning the one time discrete difference. Suppose if I mention 2 times discrete differences you find, on whatever the result you got it, on that you do once again. On that you do once again. What is that? 1 minus 1. Come on. 1 minus previous one. What is the next one? 1 minus what? 1. 1 minus 1. What is the answer is going to come? 0 comma 0. So what is this indicates? Our parameter indicates what? 2 times you are finding the discrete differences. By default, it will find how many times? Come on. One time only it will find the discrete differences. If you mention the parameter, it will find the number of times which you are having. So there is no meaning of finding the third time discrete difference. Discrete time of next one is called what? 0 only. Are you following me? So next I will go for a discrete difference of 2D array. 2D array I will go for it. Just look at that. I am going to write it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6 I am going to say. Now I am going to write it what? Axis is equal to what? 0. Indicates what? Columns. Start quickly. 3 minus, come on, 3 minus 2. How much? Come on, ma. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 3, 6 minus 5, 7 minus 6, 9 minus 8, 6 minus 9. So what is the answer is coming? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 3, minus 3. This is called a one time. You can find next time also. What is the access? Same here, 0 only. How do you do next time? Direct answer. 0, 0, minus 4, minus 4, minus 3, minus 1. Are you following? This is called finding the discrete differences on what? 2D. Row చెప్పండి. Row. I will go to axis is called what here? Axis is 1. Come on, quickly. Come on. 5 minus 2, 6 minus 3, 7 minus 4, 8 minus 5, 9 minus 6, 6 minus 7. What is this now? 3, 3, 5, 7 minus 4, 3, 3. Next, 8 minus 5, 3, 3, minus 1, minus 1. Again, if I do, what is the answer is coming finally? 0, 0, minus 4. This is an answer. This is called what? Row, finding the discrete differences among the rows. Are you following? So this is a very, very important. This is a very, very important. There are a lot of times what our student faced an example, and this is a given matrix. This is a given matrix. Expected output is like that. Expected output is like that. Implement this, they are saying. Implement that. Even if you struggle by writing hundreds of lines of code, you will not get it. Sharp answer, if you remember it, if you go for this discrete differences, you can find out. Can I go to this now? So here I will go for writing the differences here, students. Now I am going to write the example. First I will show you, then I will go to the further explanation. So go to this place. Here I will go to what is this? NumPy. Let me save it. What is this operations? Linear algebra. Linear algebra operations. Linear algebra operations. Okay. Go to the next new. Here go to this place now. Here discrete differences. Finding the discrete differences. To find the discrete differences, we will use the concept called what, ma? What is the function now? By using the function name is called a diff. What is the function name? Diff. Present into which module? Present in where? NumPy. NumPy. Let us go to the first example. Import NumPy as NP. There I am going to write it. A is equal to NP dot array of. I am going to write it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will go for it. For example, you want to take it 12, you want to take it 14, you want to take it 16, you can take it. Okay, close the bracket. Now I will write it. Content of A, given elements, I am going to print A here. So this is my data. Now find the discrete differences. Discrete differences I am going to apply. Discrete differences is equal to, come on, is equal to NP dot DIFF difference of what? 1D array. That is called A. It will find by default how many discrete differences? One time. What is the number of times repeated? One time. And print what? Discrete differences. Discrete differences, I am going to write it, is equal to what? Here I will write it. In this case, print of what? DDF. So I'm going to get it. Come on, apply. 12 minus 1, 11. 3 minus 12 minus 9. 14 minus 3. So 5 minus 14 minus 9. So 16 minus 5, 11. This is how many times? One time. On DDF, I can perform one more time discrete differences I can find. Right? Two times if I want to perform, what I will do? N value need to place it. Second time I will perform. What the answer second time you expect it? So keep it as this. I will go to it. Discrete differences how many times? Two times. What I will do? N is equal to what? 2. I am going to write it. What is this? N is equal to 2. Keyword argument here. Number of times. Number of discrete differences. Number of discrete differences is called what? Is equal to what? 2. 2 times. 2 times. So go to the place. Here I am going to get it. Come on, already this is available or not? First time na? First time. Second time. Apply. Answer is coming here directly. How this answer is coming, I am showing. What is the first time? This is the first time. This on the first time only, second time na? What is this? Minus 9, minus 11. What is the answer? Okay. Next. 11 minus of minus 9. How much? Huh? Okay. Next. Minus 11 minus of what? Muddu, silence. You follow me. Minus 9. All of you relax and then say minus 9 minus 11. That is this part. Over this part. 11 minus of what? Minus 9. This part over. This part over. Next. This one. Come on. Minus 9 minus 11. This part over. This part over. Next, this one. 11 minus of minus 9. What is the answer here? Minus 20. 20 minus 20. 20. This is an answer will be coming in the second time. Second time. Is it a second time answer? It's coming. Right. 3 times I will go. What is the next answer will come? Muddu. 20 minus of minus 20. This one. Minus 20 minus 20. Like this. 20 minus of minus 20. What is this? 40, 40, 40. Are you following? Yes. So I will go to the discrete differences is called 3. Online students, are you comfortable? So here, discrete differences is like this. Okay now? So it is going to be like this. Like that, you can go for what? Number of times also you can find the discrete differences. So maximum how many times I can find the discrete differences? Length minus 1 times I can find. How many times? Length minus 1 time I can find. So fourth time if you want to go for it, fourth time if you go to it, here 4 times, fourth time. What is the answer will be coming? You already decided, I hope so. What is the answer? Right. Last one is going to come containing what? Like this. So 5 times is equal to 5. What is the answer now? Like this. What is they are going to ask you is, they will give the data. They will say, find the discrete differences whose sum is equal, whose result is equal to like this. They will give you. If they give it in the implementation point of view, when you go to the system test, the better way directly go for what? This data is taken. The discrete differences of this given array is going to be like this, and apply your operation, they will say. And if you know the total in-depth answer, how many times, how many values I am having? 6. 6 elements means how many discrete differences you can find? 5. N minus 1 times you can find the discrete differences. Okay now? So take care about it. This is called finding the discrete differences of 1D. So what is the syntax here? Okay, this is one syntax. Anyhow, you take care. Next, I'm going to enter. One more thing I want to go for it. So what are the next values need to take? 2D. Discrete differences on 2D. Discrete differences on 2D. Let's go. I will take discrete differences on 2D. This is 2D. Take one data. A is equal to np dot array of, take some values, students. What are the values I'm taking? Directly I'll take it as a range of 0, 8 dot 0, 8 and 9. 9 dot reshape of 3, 3, 3, 3, and print of this one, see this, before seeing the output, reshape, okay. Spelling, so commas I will take care, first you get the subject. Now I will go for what? Axis wise. So axis wise, be ready with the answer. What is I'm finding first? Columns. Ready? Come on, fast. Discrete differences is equal to 2D discrete differences is equal to so discrete differences to is equal to np dot difference of diff of a comma axis is equal to, come on, 0, 0. Try to look at that. Print of what? Discrete differences. Here I will write it. Discrete differences. This I am going to write it. It is called 2. I am going to write 2. Observe it. What are the discrete differences are coming by default? Come on. This is going to be applied 0. 0 is applied what here? So this is going to become here. It is becoming 0 here. 0 is becoming what? 3 minus 0, 4 minus 1, 5 minus 2. Right? This is going to be the answer called 3, 3, 3. Next 6 minus 3, 7 minus 4, 8 minus 5. Are you getting this? So this 0 indicates what it is applying. Come on. No. Actually, I said columns. But is it rows are applied or columns applied? Rows. So myself got wrong. So this is going to be giving you what? Rows. So take care. Here axis is equal to 0 represents rows. I said columns. Take care. And it is rows. Even though I'm just giving so many times, even I'm getting confusion over there. That's why practical implementation is very important. Next, go to the another part. Babu, మీరు వినాలి. Doubt is there? Ask me directly. Next, go to the discrete differences of what? 2 times. How do you do that 2 times? N is equal to what I will write? 2. N is equal to 2, I will write it. N is equal to 2, I am writing. What is the answer now? 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3. What is the answer? 0, 0, 0, we got it. Are you getting it? So that is reduced to what? 3 rows are there. How many discrete differences? 2 times. 5 values are there. 4 times discrete differences. 3 rows are there. Reduced to what? 2 times. It is a single row is coming. Go to the columns. Column values I am going to enter. Start with. Axis is equal to what? 1. Represents what? Columns. So discrete differences. I will remove this n value. Already discrete differences, I said how to do it. 1 minus 0, 4 minus 3, 6 minus 7, 2 minus 1, 5 minus 4, 8 minus. You'll get the answer anyhow. You know already this one. Come on. 1 minus 0, 4 minus 3, 7 minus 6. It is called 1, 1, 1. 2 minus, come on. 2 minus 1, 1. 5 minus 7 minus 1. Got it or not? Next I will go to what? Discrete differences 2. Discrete differences 2. Come on. N is equal to what I will write? 2 I will write it. N is equal to 2 I will write it. Comma. Axis is equal to same. You observe it. What is the answer now? 0. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. Leads to what? 0. This is very, very important. Discrete differences important. So coming to the subject of this one. What is the syntax number 1? Tell me. What is the syntax you applied? Variable name is equal to numpy dot differences of ND array. That is called 1D array, comma. ND. This is one syntax. Next I will go to 1D, comma. What is that? N I will write it. N represents what? Number of times discrete differences you can find. Similarly, I will go to what here? Go to 2D. 2D. By default, if I write it, it is taken as what? Row. By default, what it takes? Row. Okay. Or if you want to be sure about it, axis is equal to 0. Axis is equal to 0. Here I am writing here. Axis is equal to 0 represents, yes, represents rows. So next I will go to n also I will mention here only n comma. N represents already here number of discrete differences. So here I will write it one more comma I will write it. Axis is equal to what? 1. Represents what? Columns. Columns here I will take it. I think this is more clear about it. Is it clear? Right. This is called what? Finding the discrete differences. So students, this part is over. What is the function name now? DIF. That is a very important again. Very important on 1D as well as 2D. See, one day listening the function, next day forgetting all syntaxes is no meaning. You have to remember all the syntaxes. Even though I taught many times, myself only getting confused about axis 0, axis 1. So you people should take care about this kind of thing. Next class time is almost over. Next class GCD of two values, GCD of multiple values, how to find out. We are going to take up that. So GCD of this entire thing, I will go for this. All the operations I will explain in the classroom. Right? Shubham Madhav. Since NumPy and Pandas classes started, I have not been receiving the mails regarding the notes and upload. Please help me with this issue, sir, and kindly share the documents on this email ID. See, I never share any documents to personal mail IDs. You need to take care from the admins. So take care from your side. I am not going to give you any of the other things to anybody. So take care from your side only, right? Shubham Yadav, take care about all these things, right? Anjana sir. So, if you don't mind, please show how to open HTML file in Drive. Notes, I'm unable to get it. Downloading everything is simple. Anjana sir, you just take care about that. Download it. Browser must be required at your side. You can double click on it. You can go for it. So, okay now. So next class, we'll go for what? Remaining operations I will explain. Don't miss it. Thank you. Carry on. Online students, you hold on if you have any doubts. Online friends. Any more doubts? Muhammad Nadeem. Nadeem.
Yes, sir. I want to know about overflow error, sir.
Nadeem,
In Python.
1 minute, student.
Hello.
Nadeem, tell me.
Sir, I want to know about overflow error, sir, from
Oh,
NumPy. Overflow
generally,
error.
overflow error in generally Python will be coming when the exceptions will be overflowing the actual maximum value representation will be there or not.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So, for example, actually overflow error will be coming when you go to the very biggest calculation time you'll get it. I will show an example to you, so it will be clear for you. Okay, now don't worry about it.
Okay, sir. I will wait
Uh,
for your clarification.
I will show you the one error about flow error. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. For example,
Thank
if
you.
you go to math module, if you take it, math module. So if you
Yes, sir.
take it, math.exp of 999, for example, you just go to the Python level, you just look at,
Okay,
if you
sir.
go to this, it's easy actually. Import math dot exponentiation of 9999. So it will give you overflow error.
Yes, sir.
This is the overflow error. Exponentiation of means what here? It will likely be causing an error here because of 10 to the power of 99999 it will be taken and it is not going to be fitted into the main memory of the computer. Python is ready to calculate, but it is not going to hold in the main memory of the computer. It is called a stack overflow error.
Okay, sir. But I thought that Python is dynamically storing large collection of values. That's why
N-
I asked.
No, ma, it is depends on the memory management point of this one.
Okay, sir.
Right, ma. Krishna, sir, NumPy also exception handling is there? 100% exception handling is there everywhere? Already said to you. Already said, no? Or Mangesh?
Sir,
Mangesh, tell me.
quick question, sir. I'm having actually. Thing is that
Tell.
the link was changed by the admin, and
Uh,
that also we got your notes. But thing is that only till that flatten and travel only at that point only we were able to get. Right now we are
no,
seeing
my
only.
dear student, you please look at from the day one, from 10th, you see, my class was started. Just to see the Google Drive once more. 10th, my class was started, November 10th, 11th, 12th, 13, 14, all notes are there. 15, 16. 16 was maybe Sunday, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I think I was in leave, 22, 23. 24, 25, 26, 26, 27, 28, 29, and then 30 Sunday, and first December it is there. I uploaded everything here.
Correct. I'm seeing from your side, I'm able to see, sir. But I think then I got the wrong link from admin. Thank you. I will connect
Oh,
with
that's
the
what.
admin.
Please take care about the
Okay.
right. You take
Thank
care
you.
about you
Okay.
contact once to admin and get it,
Okay. Thank
right,
you, sir.
Mangesh. Oh, Manior. Sir, when you will upload MCQs in 4 p.m. batch, I will upload actually, in your zip files when I uploaded in your 4 p.m. batch, in that it was there. Please look into that zip file. 4 p.m. batch when my students when it was completed, I already uploaded it. Okay. So all the students in the online regarding the notes link, faculty will not send it. Faculty will send the notes in the Google Drive. For Google Drive link, you get concerned faculty, you contact them so that they can give you. Okay, no? Because if I started sending, it is not one student, now so many students are there. Better to get from admin so that you will get it. That is my advice. Right. Ashish. See, ma, I will take my subjects because other link app related details, all of them are admins only. App related thing, subject I will take care in the class. Other things, no. Google. We'll start, ma. We'll start. First, let me complete NumPy in detail, then it will start. Maybe within 4 or 5 days, it will start. 4 or 5 days, it will start. Google. Pandas will start 4 or 5 days. Thank you. All the best.